Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for natural ways to keep your eyes healthy and vibrant, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the incredible power of plant-based remedies for eye health. We're constantly bombarded with screens and environmental stressors which can really take a toll on our eye health. But did you know that nature provides us with some amazing tools to combat these issues? From ancient wisdom to modern applications, we'll uncover nature's secrets to clearer, healthier eyes. But remember, always consult a professional before trying any new remedy. Let's start with a plant aptly named eyebright, or Euphrasia officinalis. Eyebright is known for its astringent and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a traditional go-to for relieving eye strain and tackling conjunctivitis. You'll want to steep the dried herb in hot water. Think of it like brewing a cup of tea for your eyes. Let it cool down completely. Then use it as an eye wash or soak a clean cloth in the liquid and apply it as a compress. Using an eyebright eye wash or compress a couple of times a day can really help soothe those tired, irritated eyes. And as always, if you're experiencing severe or persistent eye issues, consult with your doctor or ophthalmologist. Next up, we're talking about a berry that packs a powerful punch for your peepers, bilberry. These little berries are chock full of anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that can do wonders for your eye health, especially night vision. Anthocyanins help improve blood circulation to the retina, allowing you to see better in low-light conditions. You can easily incorporate bilberry into your diet as a tasty snack, or find it in supplement form. Adding this antioxidant powerhouse to your routine can really benefit your overall eye health and potentially enhance your night vision. Let's talk about ginkgo biloba, a true champion when it comes to boosting blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba is believed to work by improving blood flow to the eyes, essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to those delicate tissues. This improved circulation can be particularly helpful for conditions like glaucoma and macular degeneration. It's typically taken in supplement form, making it an easy addition to your daily routine. Next on our list is a versatile ingredient you might already have in your kitchen: fennel seeds. Fennel seeds contain organic compounds that can help reduce intraocular pressure, crucial for people with glaucoma. To harness the benefits, steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water, let it cool, then use the liquid as an eye wash. You can even soak a clean washcloth in the cooled fennel seed tea and apply it as a soothing compress to your closed eyelids. Let's talk about aloe vera, a plant that needs no introduction. Aloe vera is a natural humectant, attracting and retaining moisture, making it a lifesaver for dry, irritated eyes. Apply a small amount of pure aloe vera gel around the eyes, being careful to avoid direct contact with your eyeballs. You can use it as a gentle eye makeup remover, or leave it on overnight as a deeply moisturizing eye mask. Who knew that a simple cup of green tea could do wonders for your eyes? Use cooled green tea bags as a treatment for under-eye bags and dark circles. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly tannins, which help to constrict blood vessels, reducing puffiness and inflammation. To try it, steep 2 green tea bags in hot water. Chill them, then place them over your closed eyelids for 10 to 15 minutes. You'll be amazed at how refreshed and revitalized your eyes look and feel. Let's dive into the world of marigold, also known as Calendula officinalis, a vibrant flower with a long history of medicinal use. Marigold is a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a natural remedy for various eye infections. To harness its healing power, steep marigold flowers in hot water, let it cool, then use the liquid as an eye wash or compress. Apply it to your closed eyelids to soothe conjunctivitis, blepharitis, and even styes. Finally, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice with benefits extending far beyond the kitchen. Turmeric's curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, protecting your eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to dishes or enjoying turmeric tea. Some find relief from eye inflammation by applying a warm compress made with turmeric paste over closed eyelids. Now, some crucial reminders. While these natural remedies can be effective, always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any herbal treatments. Ensure everything you use is clean and sterile to avoid infection. Perform a patch test on a small area of skin before applying anything near your eyes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural health tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.